In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, ensuring you get it done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process together. To start off, you'll need to open the Microsoft Edge browser, which comes pre-installed on your Windows 11 computer. You can find Edge easily by clicking on the Start menu and typing Microsoft Edge in the search bar. Once you have it open, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, in the Edge browser's address bar at the top, you'll want to type in google.com/Chrome. After typing this URL, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the official Google Chrome download page. It's important to make sure you're downloading from the official site to avoid any unwanted software. Once the page has loaded, you'll notice a prominent Download Chrome button right on the main screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This click will trigger a pop-up window which will display Google's terms of service for using Chrome. Here, you'll see two options: Accept and Install. Click on Accept and Install to proceed further. This step is crucial because it indicates your agreement to their terms and gets the download process underway. You should see a file named chromesetup.exe beginning to download. On most browsers, you'll receive a notification indicating that the download has started. It's typically visible at the bottom left corner of your browser window in Edge. You can choose to wait for it to finish downloading or navigate to your Downloads folder to find the file if you prefer. Once the download is complete, click on the chromesetup.exe file directly from within Edge or open your Downloads folder to double-click the file from there. At this point, your system might prompt you with a user account control message asking if you want to allow the file to make changes to your device. This is a standard security step to ensure you're aware of installations on your system. Simply click Yes to continue. With permissions granted, the installation setup will begin. The process is largely automated, so you won't have to click through any further prompts. Just sit back and allow the installation to run its course. Once completed, Google Chrome should automatically open up on your system as a confirmation that the installation was successful. Now you have Chrome installed on your device, ready to use. You might want to pin Chrome to your taskbar or desktop for easier access in the future. Simply right-click the Chrome icon and select Pin to Taskbar. That's all there is to it. Enjoy browsing with your new Google Chrome browser, and thanks for following along.